In terms of raw speed, the marketing claims 600 millimeters per second, but my daily driver speed settled around 350 to 350 millimeters per second for quality prints. The new FOC, Field-Oriented Control, motors are a genuine upgrade. The movement is weirdly quiet, almost ghostly. Unfortunately, that silence is completely ruined by the fans. When the chamber fan and auxiliary fan kick in, this thing sounds like a server room. For software, I struggled with Creality Print. It has improved, but it still feels clunky compared to Orca Slicer or Bamboo Studio. I eventually rooted the machine, which Creality surprisingly makes somewhat accessible, to run standard Caliper and Orca Slicer, and the experience improved tenfold. One specific reality check moment, I had a nozzle clog after a bad filament swap. On some printers, this is a 5-minute fix. On the K2 Plus, getting to the heat break required removing several screws and dealing with tight tolerances. It's not difficult, but it is tedious.